Okay, now for another example, if the population of a country doubles in 30 years, in how many years will it treble under the assumption that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants? Now, let y denote the population. At t years, yan yung time, and y sub 0, population at t is equal to 0. Therefore, we have derivative of y with respect to t is equal to ky. Kasi doubles. Ibig sabihin, growth tayo. Or dy. Using, again, variables parable, from this equation, dy over y is equal to k dt. We have dy over y is equal to k dt. Integrate, we have ln of y is equal to kt plus ln of c. Or y, kasi magiging e to the ln y is equal to e to the kt plus e to the ln of c. Therefore, we have y is equal to c e raised to kt. Okay. At t is equal to 0 and y is equal to y sub 0. That is the initial population. Initial population. And therefore, ito yung equation po natin. We have y is equal to, yung c natin, find for the value of c. C ang hinahanap. T is equal to 0, y 0. Okay, therefore, your y is equal to CEKT. Palitan natin yung y natin, y sub 0 equal to c plus e, anong k natin, tapos ang t ay 0. Therefore, this one is 1. Therefore, c is equal to y sub 0. May y sub 0 na tayo. May c na tayo which is equal to y sub 0. Di ang magiging equation natin now is y is equal to, papalitan natin ng y sub 0. Y sub 0 e to the kt. Y sub 0. Instead of c, kasi we have the value of your c which is equal to y sub 0. Ito na yung equation at t is equal to 30 and y is equal to 2y sub 0. Therefore, we have 2y sub 0 is equal to y sub 0 e to the t natin ay 30, di 30 t, 30k. Yung t natin ay 30. Cancel. You have 2 is equal to e to the 30k. Therefore, we have ln2 is equal to 30k, where k now is equal to ln2 over 30. Okay, anong value ng ating, wait muna, e to the ln2, 30k, pero wait. Ano sabi sa problem? Wait, hindi natin pwede agad. May condition pa. Sabi. Okay, in how many years will it travel under the assumption that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants? Nag-double. Therefore, we have 2 e to the 30k. Tapos, ano nangyari? 2 to the e to the 30k. Tapos, tama. Check nyo nga. Okay, therefore, we have 2 y sub 0 e ng 30k equal to 2. Okay? Then, tama siya. Okay, when y, kasi nag-treble daw. When y is equal to 3y sub 0. Okay. Equation natin y is equal to y sub 0 e to the kt. Therefore, yung y natin, 3y sub 0. 3y sub 0 is equal to y sub 0 e to the kt. Okay, therefore, we have 3 is equal to e to the kt. kt. Then, raise both side by 30 kasi sabi 30 years. Sabi, when y is equal to 3 y sub 0, therefore, yung equation natin kanina na y is equal to y sub 0 e to the kt, we substitute 3y sub 0 equal to y sub 0 e to the kt. Cancel y sub 0, you have 3 equal to e to the kt. Then, susunod, we have 3. And then, then we have to raise both side by 30. Kasi di ba we have 30 years eh. 3 raised to 30 equal to e to the 30 kt. Okay, therefore we have 3 to the 30 e to the 30. Therefore, this one is e to the 30k times t. Okay, e to the 30k. This one would be equal to what? Equal to what? Eh, di ba to, e 3 to the 30. Analyze this one. Ano mangyayari? We have 3 to the 30 is equal to e to the 30 kt. Tapos e to the 30k is equal to what? Diba meron tayo kanina, are? Ito, This one, 2 is equal to e to the 30k. Equation 1. O, di magkakaroon, substitute natin from equation 1, yung 2 is equal to e to the 30k. Di ibig sabihin, ito, your 3 raised to 30 is equal to 2 raised to t. Can you follow? Saan nanggaling itong 2? Ito sa equation 1 natin.
Yes
Okay.
po.
Okay.
Opo.
What will happen susunod? Pwede na ba nating hanapin ang t? Pwede na. Logarithm. We have 30 log 3 equal to t log 2. Okay. T is equal now to what? 30 log 3 over log 2. Logarithm. What is now the value of your t? What is the value of your t? Calculate. T is equal to 30 logarithm 3 over logarithm 2. What is the answer? Class, what is the final answer?
37.55 years.
Ilan? Hello?
47.
47.
Hello po.
Okay, 47 point?
55.
55.
55 po.
47.55 years. Okay, questions?